Hello, thank you for joining me on this crash course on how to spin a bow staff. First things first, when gripping the staff, I will refer to anything above the thumb as the top of the staff, anything below the pinky as the bottom of the staff. I will do my best to try and call out what position my hand's in so that you can follow along at home. Now, keep in mind this is a sort of crash course, so bear with me. Now, when demonstrating these spins, I can only show you what I know, but I'll do them fast, I'll do them slow, I'll take you through step by step. Majority of these spins will be one-handed. Just keep in mind I'm right-hand dominant, so if you are not, you're going to have to sort of invert a few of the things I say. So one last quick word before we move on. Please be careful, all right? This, I know it's just a stick, but I promise it hurts a lot if it hits you, okay? As you can see, I'm in my living room, but find an open area. Perhaps the smartest place to go would be outside, right? Okay, let's start. Moving into the spins, we have front spins, we have reverse figure eights, forward figure eights. You can go under the arm, you can use two hands, you can go behind the back, and I can go above my head. Now, it's very important that you always know where the center of your staff is, okay? It's also very important that you know where your hands are positioned on your staff, okay? If you lose the center, you're probably gonna lose control. And if you lose control, bad things are gonna happen, all right? So moving on to the front spin. Right hand, palm down, center of the staff. Left hand, crossing over top, palm up. I'm going to skip the top, catch the bottom. Just going to rotate my palms from up to palm down. Relaxing my shoulders. Skipping one end of the staff, catching the other, okay? Once you get into the rhythm, your body gets used to this movement. Start to open up your elbows and use that to help you gain speed. Now going into the reverse figure eight, I'm going to start with my right hand palm up, leading with my pinky, starting at the right hip, going diagonally up to my left shoulder, turning palm down, going from my left hip now to my right shoulder, turning palm up, and we're just going to keep this motion going, okay? These are reverse figure eights, so I'm pulling the staff back towards me, making circles with the top of the staff. Just making circles on both sides of me, okay? Motion's all in the wrist. Suck in that gut, tighten up your core. Don't be afraid to lean side to side to help gain speed. Moving into the forward figure eights. It's the same motion, okay, but it's forward, okay? We're pushing now away from us, still drawing circles with the top of the staff, all right? Again, all in the wrist. Keep your core tight. Don't be afraid to lean side to side, okay? Leading with the thumb. Don't forget we're pushing forward, pushing away, all right? Now, real quick, moving into the positioning for the underarm spin. We're gonna be right hand palm down, okay? The top of the staff is going to be tucked under my armpit. I'm going to take my pinky, sweep low in front from right to left, and I'm going to let my thumb point down. The staff will clear my body. I'm going to rotate palm up. My thumb is not going to lead the way. Sweeping low from left to right, I go from thumb up to thumb down into our starting position again, okay? And once you get used to this motion, your body gets used to the way your wrist has to kind of turn, it's very easy to add our second hand. So again, from our starting position, left hand, palm up between our right hand and our shoulder. Just sort of forgetting your left hand for a second. It's the same exact motions, okay? But now your left hand's there to help guide. Now, you can keep a firm grip if you want, or you can stay loose and just literally let it guide the staff. Now moving into behind the back flourish. We start out with our front spin. When our right hand gets the staff, we turn palm up, leaning to the right, leading with the thumb, thumb up to thumb down. We're gonna tuck into our number 4 spin position, okay? But instead of going in front, I'm going to let the staff travel behind me. Thumbs together, transition from right to left hand, thumb down, turn, palm up. I'm gonna throw the staff in front into a 1 spin, okay? It's very cool once you get the hang of it. Now, going off of that front spin again, or the 1 spin, we're gonna wait till the staff gets to our left hand. We're gonna turn thumb down, clear our body, and we're gonna bring the staff behind. Again, thumbs together, transition from left to right this time, thumb down. I'm gonna bring my thumb up and rotate above my head. Left hand snakes up and over your right hand, and we're just gonna do a 1 spin above our head and bring it back down behind our body. Okay, so get very used to doing the 1 spin. Okay, the only difference is that this is above our head. So one last word of encouragement: be prepared. It's just a stick, but it hurts if it hits you. If you're not paying attention or you're being careless, you're gonna get whacked. Okay, so you need to be ready for that. Beware of your surroundings. Make sure no one is sneaking up on you while you're practicing. Okay, be persistent. Be confident. More practice, more confidence, more tricks. If you don't have a bow staff, grab a broomstick, all right? Something, just start spinning. Go out, have fun, be patient, all right? Thanks for tuning in. Keep on keeping on. Take care.